Alright, let's talk about something that's as American as a cross-country road trip. You're driving down the highway, the miles are ticking by, and then you see it. That familiar brown sign with the friendly lettering. I'm talking about Cracker Barrel Old Country Store. For a lot of us, it's more than just a place to grab a bite. It's a pit stop that feels like coming home, even if you're 1,000 miles away from your actual house. It's the promise of a warm meal, a game of checkers on the front porch, a store full of things you didn't know you needed but suddenly can't live without. It's a slice of Americana, served up with a side of hash brown casserole. This place has carved out a special spot in our culture. It was founded way back in 1969 by a fella named Dan Evans, who wanted to create a place for travelers to feel welcome. He wasn't just selling gas and food, he was selling a feeling of comfort. The old Cracker Barrel logo, you know the one I'm talking about, it's been around for the better part of 50 years. It featured a rustic stenciled font that looked like it was stamped onto the side of a wooden crate. Right there, nestled in the name, was the silhouette of a man, a friendly-looking older gentleman leaning against a barrel. We never knew his name, but we all knew who he was. He was the spirit of the place. Weathered, wise, welcoming. He was part of the family. This logo did its job, and it did it well. It told you everything you needed to know without saying a word. Well, here we are in 2025. Cracker Barrel is hanging up the old sign and putting up a new one. The new logo is a dramatic departure. The first thing you'll notice is what's missing. The man is gone. The barrel is gone. That iconic silhouette has officially retired. In its place, a text-only design. Just the words, Cracker Barrel, that's it. Whenever a beloved brand changes something fundamental, the court of public opinion convenes immediately. And boy did it convene for this. The reactions to the new Cracker Barrel logo have been all over the map. On one side you have the traditionalists, the loyal customers who have been eating at Cracker Barrel for decades. For many of them, the change feels like a betrayal. They miss the old man, the barrel. They see the new logo as cold, corporate, lacking warmth and personality. On the other side of the fence, you have a different perspective. Many people, especially younger customers, those with an eye for design, have praised the new logo. They see it as smart, clean, necessary. They describe the old logo as cluttered, dated. While companies don't make these kinds of decisions on a whim, there's always a strategy behind it. The primary goal is to broaden their appeal. They need to attract younger families and a more diverse crowd. A modern, fresh look can help make the brand more approachable. This change mirrors a trend, brands simplifying logos for smartphone screens and social media apps. This rebranding is about positioning the company for future growth. Cracker Barrel has a massive retail business inside every one of its stores. A cleaner, more modern logo is more flexible. It can be more easily applied to food products, apparel, home goods. A few fun facts from the rocking chair. While we're talking all things Cracker Barrel, pull up a chair. Every single Cracker Barrel has authentic American artifacts on the walls. Real, honest-to-goodness antiques. A dedicated team at HQ in Tennessee handles these pieces, find, restore, catalog each one. The peg game on every table, it's called Peg Solitaire, a notoriously tough puzzle. Goal, jump pegs and remove until one remains. 1 peg, genius. 2, purty smart. 3, just plain dumb. A simple trick to keep folks chatting while they wait. The name, Cracker Barrel. From 19th century stores selling soda crackers out of barrels. People gathered, grabbed crackers and chatted. An old social hub. Dan Evans picked the name to evoke community and conversation. So, at the end of the day, it's that a logo has a tough, dirty job to do. It's the handshake, the first impression, and the silent ambassador for a brand. For over 50 years, Cracker Barrel's logo did that job beautifully. But the world changes and the jobs we do have to change with it. The decision to change a logo is never easy. It's a risk. Cracker Barrel is making a bold bet that its new, cleaner logo will do a better job for them in the 21st century. This story is a perfect example of the tension every successful brand faces, the pull between history and progress. Ultimately, a logo is just a symbol. The real brand is the experience. It's the taste of the pancakes, the smile from the server, the creak of the rocking chair, and the feeling you get when you walk through the door. As long as Cracker Barrel continues to do the hard work of delivering on that experience, they'll likely be just fine. The sign on the door may have changed, but the welcome inside feels just the same. And for most of us, that's what really matters. It's a tough job, building a legacy, and an even tougher one to change it. Time will tell if they made the right call.